Hello everyone. Today I will explain how to set up the signal preview feature on the X100 Pro web control interface. First, make sure that both your computer and the processor are on the same subnet. In the browser's address bar, enter the default IP address 192.168.1.10. In the demonstration, it's 192.168.10.100. The username is admin, and the default password is 1 through 6. After entering the credentials, click Login to enter the X100 Pro web control interface. At this point, we can see the list of signal sources. A green indicator means the signal is already connected to the input port. Click the Preview button on the right side to view the signal source list. Corresponding signal sources have their own thumbnails. With these thumbnails, we can easily see the status of each signal source. On the right side of the canvas panel, we can load a scene. While loading a scene, we can also preview the signals within that scene. That's all for today's session. Thank you, everyone.